Hello viewers, welcome to a new Funnelish video tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to pre-select a product from Funnelish sales page or any landing page. And then we also learn advanced interactions. So let's dive in. Here you see on my screen, this is a sales page or landing page. In general, we cannot add products to any landing page step in Funnelish. So here you see we cannot have products only on order forms. Upsells and downsells may have products, or we can add products only on checkout step, upsell step, downsell step. So in this case, how we are going to do that, we'll see in this video tutorial. So we are on a page editor. We are editing right now this page, sales page. Here you see. So we have the design container. Here you see. In this container, we have 4 boxes. In the first box, we added a radio button. Then in the second box, we added an image of the product. In the third box, we added a paragraph or product name or bundle name, including the description, bundle description. And in the fourth box, we have added the prices. In our case, we have 3 bundles. So we have designed 3 container for 3 separate bundles. And we also have 3 button here, which I linked using the interaction. Go to URL. So for the first button, I have linked with the checkout on. For the second button, I have linked with the checkout to. And for the third button, I have linked with the checkout tree. Okay. So here, in style of the first button, we have created an state. So clicking on this plus icon for this element, you can create a state. So I have created a custom state name hidden, and by default, I make sure it is visible on all tablet. And but in the hidden state, I make sure it is hidden on all devices, but I want to keep it on in this editor so that I can work with this unless it will be hidden. So for the second button, by default, when this page is loaded, it will be hidden. That means by default it will be hidden, but when it is active, it will be visible. So we have created a active state here. Custom state, just make sure it is visible on all devices, and by default it is hidden on all devices. For the third button, I have done the same, which is hidden by default on all devices. And for custom state, active state, I have made sure it is visible on all devices. Okay. Then I save it. So here you see this container. We all have a radio button here. Okay, a radio button. What I did is I go to checkout page and click on this product and got the product ID from here. Okay, I copy the ID. Then going back to here in our page editor, radio button, and I pasted the value here, product ID here, and from the data type I selected the product ID. Okay, so I did the same for all 3 all other all other radio button. So for the second checkout, I got the product ID from here and place it here and selected the data type from here. I did the same for this radio button as well. So now here you see for this container, for the first bundle container, I have added hover effect, state hover state, also selected state. So when this container is on a hover, like here you see, when I hover it, the design is changed. It has a border and different background, as well as we have inner shadow. Like here you see 2 pixel inner shadow, white, which is white in color. And when I select this, we have this design as well. So by default, the design is like this. Here you see different background. It's like ash color or off-white or white ash, whatever you call. And we have border on pixel border. This is the color and border radius. There is no shadow. But when we created a state hover, and when it is hover, the background color is changed. We have set a different background colors for the hover interaction or hover state, and different border, 2 pixel width, and different color for border, and inner shadow which is 4 pixel in size and white color, and the type of the shadow is inner. Okay, and we did the same thing for selected state. So for all 3 bundles, we make sure the same design. By default, it is look like this, but on hover, it will be like this. And when it's selected, the design is fixed as selected. Okay. And now we have set interaction. So when we click on this container, we activate the state of this container, which is selected state. When click on this container, we have active the state, the select state of this container, as well as we checked this radio input button, and we have also active the second button of this container for this bundle or product. So let's see how we did that. So we are going from the third container, so or third bundle container. So here you see in the interaction, we have 4 interaction on click, or 4 actions on click. You can add more by clicking on this plus icon. But let's see what we have done here. So on the click, we have active a state. So to do that, you can choose from here. Here you see active state. So we have select that, and we have select what we for button of pre3. That means this is our button. This is the button. Product 3 P3 is stand for product 3, and we make sure it is active. So we have active the state. For the second action, we have deactivated the state of the second button active. For the third action, we have active the state of this first button, or that means product on button. So we have active the hidden state of this button. So when we click on this container or bundle, what it will do is it will hide, it will first active this button. That means it will be visible. Then it will deactive the state of this button. If it is active, it will be deactivated, and then it will hide this button. That means it will active the hidden state of this button. This thing will be hard for you for the first time, and then we run JavaScript code which is here. So for it is for the radio button. So when this container or bundle is clicked, this radio button will be checked, and this is the code for that. So this is how we have did or set up the interaction for this container or for the third bundle. For the second bundle, what we have done is we have active the state of the second bundle. That means when someone click on this container, the second button will be visible. This is the interaction for the first active state. Then for the second deactive state, we have what we have done here is button P3. That means this button. If this button is active, we have deactivated the state. For the third interactions, what we have done is this is the button, product on button. And we have activated the hidden state of this button. So if it is visible, it will be hide. And then we have added a JavaScript code here. So when click on this container, we want this radio button to be selected or checked. So in this code, we have done that. Using this code, we have done that. So for the first bundle or the container, we have added for the peon button. If this button is hidden, what we have done, we have deactivated the state hidden for this button, peon button. Then we have deactivated the state of the second button. If this button is activated, deactivate the state. We have done that in the second interaction. For the third interaction, we have also deactivated state for the button 3, and the state is active. That means if this button is active, do the deactive, and this is the button. And we have run a JavaScript code to select this radio button for this, which will be select. Here is the code. So this is how we have done the pre-selection from this landing page strategically. And if you look at this, when I select this bundle, you will see the URL is changed. Here you see this is the URL of this button. And when we select the second bundle, and if we select this from inspect, here you see a different URL, right? For the third bundle, you will also notice that this URL is changed here. So when I click on this first one, if we open this button in new tab, you see bundle on $165 in price. If we click on this and new tab this link from this button, you see buy 2 bundle and $305 price. And for the third bundle, here you see the price is $599, and here you see the price is different. So now you know how we have done that strategically. So you can do that for this for your funnel HL. If you don't understand the words or the process, you can comment below. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye bye.